welcome to another episode for a channel here at Carbon Media. This is Mikey, and it's change oil time. We're now here at Auto Plus. Yan. So, we visit Auto Plus today for a change oil to Ravenol. So, let's go! It's change oil time. We're now here at Auto Plus, and as you see, Ravenol and race. So our car is due for a change oil, and finally, we're going to use Ravenol. So check natin yung auto. Hey, look, it's Nadal, the Auto Plus shop dog. Hey, what's up? Good girl, good girl. Are you a good girl or a good boy? You're a good girl. What's up? We're now here inside the service area of Auto Plus. So you see there, Auto Plus, and let's check out the cars inside. Oh, there's a special car here, safety car, Altis. I think it's a hybrid. And of course, the famous S15 of Luis. Yan, ito yung S15 Auto Plus. But I heard iba na owner nito, so friend ni Luis. So, but still, nasa circle pa din ng Auto Plus. So yeah, there's a very bright muscle car here. And there's our car. The Vios. Yan, naka-lifter, social, oh. Ganda ng service area ng Auto Plus. And yan, inaasikaso nila yung change oil. So, merong interesting na EG rito. So, huwag natin masyado lapitan, medyo binubuo pa eh. Maka-secret pa. They're working on the car already. So, I think na-drain na eh. Ayan, na-drain na. Yan. The old oil is very dirty. What's up, kuya? What's up? Welcome to Carbon Media. Yeah. So, ayan. Antayin natin ibaba mamaya. Then, we will be using this oil. The Ravenol. And so, it's a new brand na kinikerry ngayon ni Auto Plus. So, this is a very, very expensive oil. We now have Luis here. Hi.
Hello, good morning.
Thank you for inviting us today.
Thank you for coming. Oh,
Yeah, so we're changing to Ravenol.
oh. So para masubukan mo na ngayon yung Ravenol natin na VMO 5W40. And yun.
Testing natin yan sa next race for Super Sprint.
Oo, yun. Saan ba yung Super Sprint? Sa Park Links,
Sa Park Links, sa lapit lang dito.
Oo, okay.
Last round.
Daan nga ako.
Ayan, so ayun, nababa na nila yung auto and it's time for change oil. So lalagyan na natin yung Ravenol. Ito ang mga favorite ng mga car guys, kuya eh, mag-change oil. Ayan, so 5W40 ang ilalagay for the change oil. So same spec naman nung dating oil na ginagamit natin. So kailangan to matesting ngayon to. Especially, we have a new engine with a supercharger. So this will be perfect. High performance engine using high performance oil by Ravenol.
Okay, so Ravenol is a product of Germany. Tapos, ang kagandahan nitong Ravenol, meron siyang OEM manufacturer's approval. So, hindi lang siya recommended ng oil. Talagang ginagamit siya ng OEM spec siya.
Also for motorsports as well.
Yes. Meron tayo. Motorsports, sikat tayo sa if you know AlphaTauri, sila Schumacher. So yan.
So yan no. So trusted naman din pala ang Ravenol.
Oo naman. Sobra.
It's a German oil.
Tama. Ito, mamaya masusubukan mo to. Sobrang ganda nito. Yun. So, gusto ko rin interject na sa bottle pa lang, ang hirap na niyang pikiin. So may anti-counterfeit siya. So, if you can see yung takip niya, dalawang plastic na infuse. Yung color blue and color gold.
Blue and gold.
Kasi usually pagka pinepeke, usually yung takip eh.
Doon nag-uumpisa sa
Oo,
takip.
kasi-
For this one, mahirap to.
Oo, sobrang hirap nito. Tapos lahat sila may spout na siya.
May spout na
Tapos wala, hindi mo mababalik yan. So doon pa lang, sobrang hirap nang gawin itong bote to.
So,
Tapos may production date tayo para malaman mo kung bago ba yung produkto o luma.
Boss, question about oils. May expiration ba ang langis?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Wala
Pero
naman.
at least you can see how early yung na-produce yung langis.
Yes. Pero you have to still keep it store it in a proper place. So yun. Tapos meron din siyang wala lang ako nung blue
QR
light eh. Yung blue light
May
eh.
blue light din.
Oo, tapos pagka tinapatan mo ng blue light, lalabas dito Ravenol Original. Tapos may QR code din siya. Sobrang pati yung German engineering in a bottle talaga siya. Halos sobrang linaw.
Ang linaw nyo.
Ang ganda niyan. Saan? Ang tagal niyan bago bago dumumi.
Dumumi.
Oo.
Feeling ko magaan to para sa engine talaga eh.
Oo. Talagang sulit to.
Ayun sa pag-start pa lang, magaan agad yung tunog ng engine. Thank you, Ravenol and Autoplus. It's a wrap here at Autoplus, and thank you Autoplus and Ravenol for sponsoring our change oil for today with Ravenol oils. So matetest na natin siya. So kung anong difference niya dun sa dati nating oil na ginagamit. And I'm pretty sure maganda tong oil na to. It's like a German technology in the bottle. So again, thank you Ravenol, thank you Boss Charles T, Luis Gono and Boss Carlos Gono for supporting Carbon Media as always. This is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey for Carbon Media. Thank you for watching. Peace out!